Hello beautiful souls, this is Zee and we are talking about the art of meditation. Meditation is something that is a result of our conscious and consistent effort that we put ourselves through. Although we are all proud of the fact that this concept of meditation comes from our very own country, India, and has been flourishing over the world, there still lies a lot of unanswered questions to this. What is meditation? How do we exactly practice meditation? Even if I follow the technique, what difference does it really make in my life? I know meditation is very helpful and great, but when I try to close my eyes, I get lost. I cannot control my thoughts. This is not for me. I don't really get time to sit and meditate with this busy lifestyle. Let me tell you, I have an answer to all of these questions and a perfect solution for all of these problems. But before we begin, I need you to understand one simple thing, that meditation is not only about sitting with your eyes shut, zero thoughts for 2 hours on day one. No, meditation is something about trying to throw yourselves away and suddenly become someone really better. So now what meditation is really about? Meditation is a phenomenal art. If you learn it, you master yourself. And if you master it, you learn to master the world. Yes, I mean what I'm saying. Meditation is a very simple process. It is the alignment of the breath, awareness, and thought. If you learn to balance these three in the beginning, the future process of achieving the higher states of meditation becomes more and more easier, and the shift of betterment in every aspect of life will become naturally and almost flawlessly possible. More or less, meditation is about understanding yourself and using the unique powers you have within you. To begin with, there are various breathing techniques that help you bring the focus from millions of thoughts to one. And the moment you learn to control your breath, your emotions, your actions, your reflexes, your life, everything becomes easy to control. Most of us think meditation is to sit in one place. No. Being 100% mindful of the activity you do is meditation. By just being conscious and aware of the present moment, you can meditate. There's a long list on types of meditations a person can practice. I'll mention a few here that we'll be learning soon. Type 1 is deep breathing. Now, as we know, no art of meditation can be practiced without the art of breathing. The second one is rhythmic breathing, meditation in which you focus your entire attention on the breath's flow. So right now, we'll be practicing the meditative art of aligning the breath, thoughts, and awareness. You can start meditating along with me while I start guiding you throughout, or you can save this video and practice it later on. To begin with, I need you to take a comfortable sitting position. Gently close your eyes, relax all your muscles consciously. Slowly lengthen your spine, straighten your back, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, relax your forehead with a very gentle smile on your face. Relax yourself, take your attention to your breath. Just focus on the flow of your breathing. If there are any thoughts trying to disturb, just let it pass. Bring your awareness back to the breath. This is how we slowly align from moving our awareness from the thoughts back to the breath. Keep paying attention to the breath for a few seconds. For the beginning, I always recommend to practice this not more than 5 minutes, But if you still feel like, please don't put an alarm. Just sit with yourself. See how long you can take it. Once you're about to get done, slowly join your hands in front of your sternum. Rub your palms. Create the warmth for yourself. Place it on your eyes. Massage it over your face. With a very gentle smile again, slowly open your eyes. This is the art of alignment. Again, the breath, the thoughts, and the awareness. You can do it anywhere once you master being patient with yourself in no matter what crowd you are in, no matter the surroundings around you. Just make sure you're not in a very polluted area and you're good to go. I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please drop us a like, share it with your friends, drop us a comment about how was your day after practicing this. Also do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Zeel signing off. Thank you.